Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely open your laptop and replace the hard drive with an SSD. First, power down your Dell Vostro 5000 and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery if your model allows it. This is crucial to prevent any electrical damage during the upgrade. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of your laptop. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove all screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. With the back panel removed, you will see the hard drive bay. Identify the existing hard drive, which is typically secured with additional screws. Remove these screws and gently slide the hard drive out of its bay. If you encounter any resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. Now, take your new SSD and insert it into the same bay. Ensure it is securely connected and fasten it with the screws you previously removed. This is a good time to clean the internal components of your laptop. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and vents, ensuring optimal airflow and cooling. Once the SSD is securely in place and the interior is clean, replace the back panel of your laptop. Align it properly and press down gently until you hear the clips snap back into place. Reinsert all screws to secure the back panel. Before powering on your laptop, reconnect the battery if you removed it. Now plug in your laptop and turn it on. You may need to enter the BIOS to ensure that the SSD is recognized as the primary boot device. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. Once you have confirmed that the SSD is detected, proceed to install your operating system. You can use a USB drive or recovery media to do this. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After the installation is complete, your Dell Vostro 5000 should boot up significantly faster than before. Enjoy the improved performance and responsiveness of your laptop. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Remember, no calls, no travel. We make it easy for you to get your laptop serviced right from your home. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.